Hey everyone, welcome back to Food Prepping. Today we're going to be preparing this Village PieMaker pumpkin pie. We've got everything that we need assembled here. You're of course going to need your pie. You're going to need a baking sheet to put it on, or if you don't have a baking sheet, go ahead and use some foil and then a food thermometer to check and make sure it's done in the end, and some scissors or a knife or something to open up your packaging. First thing that you need to do is preheat your oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit, and then we're going to go ahead and open up our box and take our pumpkin pie out of the packaging that it comes in. Now that we've got all of our packaging removed, we're going to go ahead and place our pie onto our baking sheet or your foil, whichever one that you're using. And now we're ready to pop this into the oven for their recommendation of 75 to 90 minutes. We're basically looking for the center to be still a little bit jiggly and the outer edges here to be a little bit more firm. And we want the center of our pie to reach 165 degrees Fahrenheit. So I'm going to come back and let you know exactly how long that took in my oven. If you'd like to support this channel, the easiest way to do that is using our Amazon links the next time you shop there. All right guys, it has now been 85 minutes in my oven. I did check this at the 75-minute mark and the center was still not to temperature. It does seem like our outer edge is set pretty well. I'm just gonna check our temperature one more time and we'll see if it's good to go. All right, we have reached over 165 degrees Fahrenheit in the center. So here is our completed Village PieMaker pumpkin pie. If you guys would like to know how this tastes, definitely check out our other channel, 5 Minute Eats, where we're gonna give you a full review and let you know if we would purchase this again or not. But in the meantime, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and we'll catch you next time. Bye. All right guys, that's the video. If you like what we're doing here, definitely check out our other channel, 5 Minute Eats, and don't forget to give us a like and subscribe.